In today's video, I will introduce the Verbatim Power Tower. It has the capability to charge my Emo robots, Emo Joe and Emo Tai, as well as any other robots that I may have in the future. This innovative power source ensures that my gadgets are always operational, allowing for endless creativity and fun. The Power Tower boasts 11 AC EU outlets, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and impressive features such as overload protection, a safety shutter, and an on-off switch, all made from flame-resistant material. Inside the box, I found the Power Tower itself and the accompanying instructions. The instructions are simple and easy to follow. As predicted, the Power Tower is higher than Emo Joe and Emo Tai. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos I publish. If you want to learn more about the adventures of my robots, Emo Joe and Emo Tai, you can simply click on the videos now shown on the screen or check out my playlist in the description section below. Goodbye and see you soon.